Hello friends, let's take a closer look at the integer data type in Java programming. So what is integer data type used for? So we use integer data type to store whole numbers, which means I have no decimals numbers. So I define a variable integer int speed. So I assign the value of 100 to the speed value, which means the speed is 100 kilometers per hour. So if I want to parent it, what I need to do, I can use system.out.println or parent, and then inside the parentheses I give this variable name, as I told you. Okay, if I want to run it, what I need to do, I need to compile javac main.java and I run with java command. Okay, I see 100 on the screen. If I want to change integer value, what I need to do, what's my variable name? It's speed. Speed equals to -5, for example. After assigning a value, I put my semicolon. So what if we write a decimal? If I want to change it like -5.5, as you see, I got an error. The error is I cannot convert from double to integer. That's type mismatch error, which means we are trying to store a decimal in an integer variable, which is speed here, which is not allowed. We cannot do that. Okay, I hope you understand the logic. So I take it back. We will see float double data type in the next lesson.